Hey guys, just wanted to show you really quick what I ordered from Amazon. It's a WarmMist humidifier. It goes around $38.55 with tax. It's about 42 bucks. I needed it for my little one, so I just want to do a quick unboxing of the package. Comes, of course, with the guide, care manual, some coupons here if you need any. Just, of course, quickly how it works and all the parts and labels and so forth. Alrighty, comes in a clear packaging, all good. And it came with this just to keep it pretty sturdy in the box. There's another one inside. So let me go ahead and alrighty guys, so I got it out of the package. I got it out of the clear plastic wrap that it was in. So let me just show you an overview of the mist humidifier. There's a little top here. Looks like pour inhalant here. And there you go. I'm sure you take this out. You go ahead and put the water in here. It also has a little switch here, so we set on just little, I'm assuming this is probably the amount you want out. Alrighty guys, so I did fill it up with water, just a little bit less than halfway, of course, or a little bit more than halfway right here. Right now I have it on to the second, the little 2 drops here, and as you see, it's working perfectly fine. It took about, I want to say, less than a minute to get started.